Warfare has always evolved with technology, from steel and gunpowder to code, algorithms, and machines. Unlike traditional drones that rely on radio signals, these systems remain physically connected. Artificial intelligence enhances these drones' capabilities. But this raises a critical question. Where does humus? These drones are relatively inexpensive, highly precise, and difficult to disrupt. Fiber-optic drones are not the end of warfare's evolution. They are a glimpse into conflicts shaped by connectivity, destructions. As technology advances, humanity must decide how far it is willing to follow. Modern AI does not see the world as we do. It breaks reality into patterns, movements. In seconds, the system compares data, behavior, location, historical context. Even with artificial intelligence, the final decision still belongs to a human. At least, for now. No signal delay. No interference. No escape from the link. As weapons grow smarter, the question is no longer can we build them, but should we trust them with choices that cannot be undone?